Hello everybody, this is an example of how to do different strategies with subtracting two-digit numbers. So the first one is quick draw. And so the way we do this in class is you take the number 45 and you write it in representation of tens and ones. So 40 would be 4 lines, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 ones. And then we need to subtract 16. And because 16, 5 is less than 6 in the ones place, we are going to have to regroup. So what that means is we take one of the tens and we borrow. And we change that 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, since we have regrouped, we can take away 16. So we will start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my gosh, we still didn't have enough. So I have to regroup again and borrow another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because I took away 9 here, or I'm sorry, 15, I only need one more to make 16. So after I have taken away and regrouped, then I count what is left. And I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. That should be my answer. All right, we would do the same thing or use the same equation for place value. But for place value, what we do is we separate it by tens and ones. So we would say 4 tens, 5 ones is a representation of 45, and 1 10 and 6 ones is a representation of 16. We draw our line and we're going to subtract. Once again, since we don't have enough ones on this side, we need to borrow. So that's going to take 3 tens and we're going to move one over here, which makes that 15. So now we do 15 minus 6, which is 9 ones, and 3 minus 1, which is 2 tens, which makes our answer 29. Now, for our open number line, you're going to draw a number line, and they could either start back, jump back to get subtract 16, or they can jump forward from 16 until they get to 45. So we will jump back. So I'll start here with 45, and I'm going to do one big 10 jump, and I'm going to do 2 3 jumps. So if I take away 10 from 45, that would leave me at 35. And then if I take away 3, that would leave me at 32. And then if I take away another 3, that would leave me at 32, 31, 20, 29. Once again, the answer is 29. Now, if we're looking at a 100 chart, you're going to start with 45 as you would see it on a 100 chart and circle it. And then we want to take away 16 or subtract 16. So because there is 1 10 in 16 and a 6 ones, we know we have to move up the chart 10 spaces, which would put us at 35. And then we would move back 6 spaces. So 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll go 5, 6. So this number would give me 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. Okay, which again, my answer would be 29. All right, using decompose or break apart, we're going to take our number 45 minus 16 equals, we don't know. And then from there, we're going to break this about part in tens and ones. So that's 40 and 5. That is 10 and 6. And we know that we are subtracting. So we would say 40 minus 10 is 30. 5 minus 6, we do not have enough. So we would have to, 5 minus 6. We would have to borrow from here, which would leave 20. We'll give this a 15. So now 15 minus 6 would be 9. 29 again. Ten frame, there are rectangles with 10 squares in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to need quite a few of these. Quite a few of them. Try to keep it on the page for you. And I'll do one more because I know I have 40. Okay. So we know we have 45 as our starting number. So this whole box we already know is 10. So we'll say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, right? And then we need to take away 16. Okay, we know we do not have enough to take away 16. So we're going to take a 10 frame away, which is 10 out of the 16. And then we need to take away 6 more. So if we break this down back into 10 ones, and now we have 10 plus 5. We already took 10 away, so we only need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what does that leave us with? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Once again, 29. All right, standard algorithm. Once again, we line our numbers up. 45 minus 16. Draw our line for the equation. Okay, we do not have enough to take away 6 from 5. So we have to borrow. We make that a 3. We put the 1 over here for 15. So the 10 that we took away here, we added it in front of the 5. So now we have 15 minus 6, which would be 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer 29. All right, partial sum I have X'd out because this is only really used for addition problems. So she does not have to do, or we do not have to do partial sum because it's really only used for addition problems. But that is how you would complete this particular homework assignment, with using different strategies to subtract 2-digit numbers.